Hello everyone. We have this question 2 power p plus 2 power q plus 2 power r equal to 148 and we have to solve this question for the value of p, q and r. So let's start the solution of this question. So in the solution of this question, first we will divide and multiply this left side of the equation by 2 power p. So let's do this step. So we have multiplied and divided by 2 power p. So then we will write this 2 power p on beneath each of these terms. So let's do this. So after drawing this and writing 2 power p in the denominator, now here this 2 power p will cancel this 2 power p. So our equation will become 2 power p into 1 plus 2 power q divided by 2 power p plus 2 power r divided by 2 power p, and this is equal to here we have equal to 148, and this 148 can be written as 2 into 74, and then you can write as 2 into 2 into 37. So step by step we have split this 148. You can do this splitting process in just a single step, so it's up to you. So now look over here, one value is this and one value is this. So we will compare these two values separately with these two values. So we will compare this 2 power p with 4 and this whole value with 37. So our equation will become 2 power p equal to 4 and this whole value equal to 37. And here this 2 power p equal to 2 is squared because 4 equal to 2 squared, and here this value equal to this 37. So here we have same basis. So according to mathematical rule, if we have same basis, then we can compare their power. So we can compare their power. Now p equal to 2, we have p equal to 2, and for this value we will subtract 1 on both sides. So then the equation will become 2 power q divided by 2 power p plus 2 power r divided by 2 power p, and this 37 minus 1, and here when we subtract 1, so this one will cancel the subtracted one, so the equation will become like this, and now this equation will equal to 36, and then we will put p 2 power p equal to sorry, we will put p equal to 2 as we have find out the value of p. So we will put p equal to 2 in this equation, and then this equation will become 2 squared and 2 squared, which is equal to 36. So the whole equation will become 2 power q divided by 4 plus 2 power r divided by 4 equal to 36. And now we will take LCM. So after taking LCM, the equation will become 2 power q plus 2 power r divided by 4 equal to 36. And now we can multiply this 4 on other side of the equation. So our equation will become 4 into 36, and here 2 power q plus 2 power r. And now we can split this 36 as 4 into 9. So now we will divide and multiply this equation by 2 power q on both sides like previous, but here I have written this 2 power q directly under the both terms. So here this 2 power q will cancel this 2 power q, so that our equation will become 2 power q into 1 plus 2 power r divided by 2 power q into this 4, and 4 will become 16 like this. So 16 into 9. And now again we can compare this 2 power q with 16 and 1 plus 2 power r divided by 2 power q with this 9. So let's do this. So after comparing this 2 power q equal to 16, and 16 can be written as 2 power 4. Now again we have the same basis, so therefore we can compare the power. So therefore q will be equal to 4, so q equal to 4, and here we have 1 plus 2 power r divided by 2 power q equal to 9. So again, we will subtract minus 1 on both sides. So when we subtract minus 1 over here, so this 1 and minus 1 will be cancelled out. And here 9 minus 1. So this 9 minus 1 will become 8. So now we have q equal to 4, and we have 2 power r divided by 2 power q. And now we have this 2 power r divided by 2 power q, and we have the value of q. We will put q equal to 4. So when we put q equal to 4 over here, so this equation will become 2 power r divided by 2 power 4, and then we will multiply this 2 power 4 with this 8. So our equation will become 2 power r equal to 2 power 4 into, we can split this 8 as 2 power 3, because 2 power 3 is equal to 8. And now according to exponent rule, we will add this 4 and 3. So the equation will become 2 power r equal to 2 power 7, because 4 plus 3 equal to 7. And once again, we have a same basis, therefore we can compare the powers. So r is equal to 7. So hence we have all the values, required values, that is value of p, q and r. And let's verify as well. So for verification, this was our given question, and we have find out the values of p, q and r as p equal to 2, q is equal to 4 and r equal to 7. And now we will put these values in this equation. So let's put these values. So p equal to 2, q equal to 4 and r equal to 7, which is equal to 148. 2 squared equal to 4, 2 power 4 equal to 16, and 2 power 7 equal to 128. So let's put these values, and 4 plus 16 plus 128 equal to 148. So 148 equal to 148, hence it is proved and it is verified as well. So we have these values for this question. I hope you will have understand the solution of this question. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Take care.